As a photographic studio focused on achieving an excellent experience for our customers, we are always looking for new equipment that can facilitate and improve all our shoots, whether they be high-end campaigns, e-commerce or editorials. When Profoto asked us to test their soft zoom reflectors 120 and 180, we were absolutely thrilled to accept this opportunity. The soft zoom reflector convinces with precision and control, sturdiness and ease of use. It enables us to create a multitude of lighting effects tailored to our wants and needs. Right from the start, we realised how easy they are to set up and use. In just a few steps, and in a matter of minutes, our assistants are ready to shoot, and for a photographic studio like ours, ensuring quality while staying on schedule is crucial. Profoto's quality is well recognised for a reason, and an absolute must for us, as our gear needs to withstand the most extreme conditions, shoot after shoot. Switching from hard, sharp light to soft, contrast-free light has never been easier or more intuitive with this extraordinary light shaping tool. The Profoto Soft Zoom Reflector allows us to get the exact light we're striving for, with almost surgical precision. Allowing a wide range of lighting effects, the Soft Zoom Reflector performs well in any situation, always ensuring fascinating, creative outcomes. Working with Profoto enables us to achieve and exceed our customers' expectations. With the latest edition of the Soft Zoom Reflector, we're able to continue shooting consistent, exceptional results with a smooth user experience.